Divine powers are always working for us because we do right. Star Seeds, what's up? Star Seeds living in a Star Seed world. Somebody please do me a favor and turn on the AC because Trent is about to get hot. How to use energy to get what you want. Rearranging your universe. Okay? If you know like I know, you are co-creating your reality even as we speak. Okay? This is your universe. That's why I call it universe. Right? Everybody has his or her own universe. All right? Once you understand how to manipulate your universe using your energy, then you will begin to just get what you want all the time. All right? After this video, you will know how to get what you want using the energy that's within you. All right? You've been using this energy for a long time and you probably don't even notice you've been using it. Okay? Have you ever went into a room, right, full of people, and then all of a sudden it's like when you got there, you notice they started acting different, they started behaving different because you showed up? You ever experienced that before? Have you ever been thinking about something, right, so hard, and then all of a sudden, like, this person just showed up at the same location you was at? How is it that you was just thinking about this person so hard and they just showed up? Have you ever walked in a kitchen or something and all of a sudden something just falls off the shelf? You're like, yo, why am I knocking things over and I'm not even touching it? Okay, that's because the bioelectrical field, all right, it's called energy. Okay, a lot of people know it as chi energy. Everybody has it and everybody's constantly use it, but to use it to your advantage, you gotta know how to use it intentionally. Okay, so that's what we're going to talk about in this video, using your energy to get what you want. I promise you, after this video, you'll never be the same. You're going to be a much better person because we're making ourselves better so that we can make a world a better place. All right. Now, first things first, that's what you got to understand. You got to understand that everything is energy. Okay, whether you see it moving or not, whether these trees appear to be still, they are still energy on a quantum level. Everything is energy. This jewelry is simply just energy, okay? You are made out of energy, okay? So that means since everything is energy, it's vibrating, all right? It's oscillating. So that means you can attract everything if you set your intention and your energy on attracting it, okay? So what you have to begin to start doing now is thinking about everything as energy. Even people respond to you according to your energy. All right. First thing first, disclaimer. In order to begin to use energy to get what you want, you have to have a high vibration. You have to be on a high frequency. OK, this means that you have to be constantly feeling good all the time. All right. You can't be thinking about this baggage and extracurricular things that, bombards people's minds so much on a regular basis. They worry themselves all the time about things that don't even matter. You cannot use your energy to get what you want thinking like that. Okay, you have to be lightweight, so to speak. Okay, you got to be so energetically high in energy that you naturally make things come to you because your level of energy is constantly high. All right. Once upon a time, I was never getting what I want until I let go of a lot of mental baggage. Things that I could not control. I was thinking about how to control it. How can I make this happen? How can I force things to happen to work for me? And I would never, ever get what I want because I was using my mind and my energy to think about things that were weighing me down. Okay, so I began to have non-resistance. I began to take my mind off of things that was out of my control. I began to stop worried about people that was worried about me. You know what I mean? I just let go of a lot of things and I became a much more higher energetic person. And then I began to get what I want more. Okay, and I began to rearrange my universe. So that's the first thing that you got to realize in order to use energy to get what you want. You got to be on a high frequency. Every day I wake up, I'm on a high level of frequency all the time because I don't let things get to me like I used to. Okay, so you got to be the type of person, you got to say, you know what, I'm not going to let that get to me. I'm not going to think about this anymore. If it's nothing you can do about it, don't think about it. You need to stay on a high level of energy at all times in order to use your energy to get what you want. Now, the next thing that you must do in order to begin to attract things to you and rearrange your universe is, once again, you got to start thinking of everything as energy. So now, since once upon a time you was forcing it to happen physically, okay? Most people are programmed to physically force things to happen for them and to get what they want, but it never works. They only end up exerting a bunch of energy and draining themselves, okay? So in order to get what you want, okay, somebody get an AC, because Trent about to get hot, man. If this video resonate with you so far, you like talk about this type of stuff, get this video a thumbs up. All right, so anyway, so this is what you got to do. You got to start internalizing everything that you want, okay? And what I mean is, you got to begin to, like, if you want a new wardrobe, right? Say you don't have the clothes that you want to wear, right? I know I'm probably talking to you. If that's you, then I'm talking to you. All right. Say you want a new wardrobe, you want new clothes, you want to look better, you want to look different. Okay. So you don't have the money and the funds to actually go purchase this stuff, right? That's okay, because you're going to use the energy to get what you want. So what you want to do is internalize yourself already having that wardrobe internally. Okay. Imagine yourself wearing the clothes after you have them. Imagine yourself feeling the way you will feel once you have this new wardrobe. Okay. You got to imagine yourself having on new shoes, even though the shoes that you have is like, you know, not the greatest shoes in the world. The last thing that you want to do is think about you not having it. Okay, this is how so many people continue to put themselves in a situation to where they don't get what they want, because the only thing they can think about is not having it. All the time they think about, I don't have it, I don't have it, I don't have a man, I can't get this, I don't have money, I don't have money, I don't have it, I don't have it. They constantly thinking about that, and it's constantly creating that same experience. So you gotta get good at already thinking that you have the things that you want and knowing that it's gonna come to you regardless. So it will look something like this. So you will sit and you will just meditate on, you know, getting whatever it is that you want. You will meditate on it, and you will use your energy internally. Like, I shouldn't be able to see you using your energy, okay? This is invisible stuff. And so you will internalize it even as you walking and you're cooking. You internalizing yourself having thousands of dollars. You just internalizing it while you exercising at the gym. You just internalizing yourself, you know, having a beautiful woman. Just internalize what she would look like. You don't even have to speak. You shouldn't speak. There should be no outer exertion. Okay, there should be no physical force that can be detected that you are actually internalizing what you want with your energy. Okay, you got to be silent as that. Okay, it should be so silent, but at the same time, it's so convincing. See, that's the thing, folks. That's the one thing you got to understand about energy. Listen, if it's anything you want, okay, if it's anything you want and you got to force it to happen, you're never gonna ever get it. You got to get to the point where you know everything that you want, you just know it's gonna come to you. You just know it to the point you don't even have to talk. If you put it out there in the universe one time, you got to know, yo, I got it. And then you will notice that you will begin to always get everything you want. I'm telling you, divine powers be working because you do right at all times. All right. So once you get into a habit of doing this regularly, constantly, you will know how to just shift your whole reality. You'll know how to just shift your whole universe, like, easily. Like, you'll see people out here working hard, doing everything they can to make their life better and to become more prosperous. You'll see them doing all kind of stuff while you just sitting back. You just using your energy and you using your thoughts, and you projecting energy towards that thing that you want, and that thing must come to you. Okay, this is how you use energy to get what you want. Okay, I know you've probably seen people like Bruce Lee talk about chi energy, and you know how he does his moves and stuff like that, and he don't even really have to hit you. It's just that when he does the move has so much inertia behind it internally. Like, the hit is so forceful that the energy that he's projecting out, it literally knocks somebody on their butt. Like, it's that powerful. I know you've seen people even use chi energy where they've like used their hands to like set paper on fire and to make objects move. Folks, this stuff is real. It's the energy on the inside of you, but they are just projecting it outside of themselves. And you can do the same thing too, you know, with the things that you want to have for yourself. You can literally get what you want if you just project your energy into the universe of having 6 figures, or, you know, project your energies into the universe of having this modern day concept house. Those are my favorite houses to stay in, where they got like all that glass and windows. Yeah, y'all can see me. I'm doing it big. Star Seeds, living in the Star Seed world. Trend is hot right now. Somebody please go get that AC for me. I heard they got them on sale. Reflections, baby. How to use energy to get what you want. Once again, remember, in order to get what you want, you gotta already be feeling good, man. You gotta be feeling good, man. And listen, this is the thing. It's gonna be a lot of people around you every single day. They feeling bad, man. You see it all the time. People be frustrated. People be depressed. They just not there, okay? And you're gonna have to be able to keep your mind, your energy separate from letting other people bring your energy down, okay? So you gotta basically stay in your own bubble. Stay in your bubble. Keep your high level of energy high. And the whole time you silent. You don't even really gotta even talk to these people, okay? Only thing you need to do is just be projecting your energies towards everything that you want to have for yourself. And in divine timing, the divine power of the universe, it will bring it to you. And then you can do this all day long. And you can just rearrange your whole universe. You just rearranging it just with your mind and your energy, all right? This is why it's not impossible to accomplish your goals or to get what you want. Because in order to get what you want, okay, only thing you got to do is just manifest it to you. It'll come to you if you know how to focus your energies only on that what you want to receive, not what you don't want, okay? You can do this even with people, man. You can do it with people. You know how like you be around people or whatever, and you know, you just say somebody's just talking so much and getting on your nerves and you don't want to hear them no more. All you got to do is just shut up, don't say nothing, let them talk, and you projecting, I ain't trying to say be negative, but you projecting this energy of shut up to them, right? Without even having to say shut up. You projecting this energy of be quiet. And I guarantee you, if you projecting the energy right, okay, that person will be quiet, all right? You can use this even with attracting specific people and partners, soulmates, twin flames, people to you. If it's somebody that you really like, all right? If you're somebody that you really like, instead of like forcing it to happen, instead of forcing a relationship to work, instead of going out and just doing all this foolery just to attract a specific person, a specific woman or something, all you got to do is continue to see what you want that woman to look like in your mind day by day, all right? And just know in the bottom of your heart that you got her. Just know it. Just know it. Okay, and she won't be able to resist it. He won't be able to resist it. He won't be able to resist it because you're using a totally different type of whole way of going about getting what you want. You're internalizing it now. You're using the help of the universe to get what you want. Okay, this is the most powerful way to get what you want. Okay, this is powerful than what any human hands can do. Okay, is when you're using the power of the universe to actually get what you want and your energy, all right? Man, when I began to learn how to use this type of power, man, my whole life changed. Like, y'all see me from the very beginning, and when I started my channel, y'all see me now. I'm totally different, man. Totally different because I don't see the world in the same eyes no more. I see the world as energy. So if I want what I want, all I got to do is use my energy to get it. Okay, stay in a high vibe. Project my energy towards that which I desire, okay? Walk like I already got it. Walk like I already know. Walk like I'm the man. You know, I got this. I got this under control. No matter what my situation was. I remember when I used to stay out my car. You know, no matter what my situation was, like I still carry myself like I'm a multi-millionaire. Like I still, like when I walk in the malls and I'm out in the public places, I got my head up. I'm walking upright. You know what I mean? Because even though I can't afford what I want in that mall that day, I'm still going to look at it. I'm still going to look at it in the window like, yeah, I got it. I got that. I'm gonna be back. I go talk to the salespeople. I might pick up a shirt that costs like 600 or something like that, right? Even though at that moment, I might not be able to afford that $600 shirt, okay? But the shirt is designer. I want that shirt. I talk to the salesperson like I'm gonna get it. You know what? Hey, look, put my name down on the registration, whatever. I'm gonna be back. Y'all need my phone number. I'm coming back to get this shirt. Hey, make sure you save one for me, all right? That's how you got to think about everything that you want to have for yourself. You got to just know you're going to get it. Once you become the person who uses their energy in order to get what you want, you change everything. You are no longer the victim of life. Okay, you become the victor of life, and everything else revolves around you and comes to you. Okay, because you're using the power of the universe to rearrange your universe. All right, listen. This is the real way of getting what you want. If you're going to do this, give this video a thumbs up. If you already been doing this, give this video a thumbs up. All right. I don't want to get no emails about how y'all made it rain and y'all made the sun come out. Because, you know, you can do stuff like that, too, if you get good with your energy. Yeah. I ain't going to get into it. I'll say that video for another day. Stop that rain over there. Make it rain over here because Tren is hot right now. Somebody, please turn on the AC reflections. Star seeds, living in a star seed world. Hey, everybody be like, Tren, why your skin so clear, man? You know, why your skin so clear? Man, I be using that Puka Pure and Simple Shea Butter. My skin glowing up. Like, my skin got glitter glowing up, got glitter in it, little gold flakes in it. Man, I use Puka Shea Butter, which is in the comment section below. If you want to get some of that shea butter cream, get some of it. It's the best. All right. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon right there. Click that face icon and hit the bell notification so you can be notified every time Tren upload new videos like these two right here. Check one of these out. These videos about energy too. Every single day. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.